All right, so here's a look at this cold therapy machine. This is gonna be great for anyone who had a knee surgery, has a shoulder surgery, or even if you just have like knee pain, this is gonna be perfect. Now, I utilize this mostly for my knees because my knees kind of hurt after running and hiking, and it just feels so great after those sessions to just throw this on and help inflammation go down. And it's a lot better than using something like a bag of peas or a bag of ice, because eventually that's all gonna melt and it's just gonna slowly get warm over time where you're gonna constantly have to switch it out. This is great because all I gotta do is wrap this around my knee, turn it on, and then I got some ice and water in here, and it's gonna go ahead and bring that inflammation down in my knees. Now, this machine in particular is built extremely well. I love the fact that they provided a very long tube, so if you're gonna be switching this over from one knee to the other, then you don't have to move this whole component, this bag right here, over. You could easily just undo it and put it here because of that longer tube. It's also gonna have a very long cable as well, so this is great if you're gonna be using this in bed. You'll have plenty of space for you to plug it in and stretch this far across. Now, the bag itself is gonna all be insulated. You can see here that it's got a zipper, so I'll go ahead and undo it here so you can see what it looks like on the inside. We've got our pump right here, very small pump, but it's powerful and it's able to do a lot of water flow through the pad. Down here, you can see it's got a max water level, and this is gonna be great because if you go any higher than that, it's probably gonna spill out. So you wanna make sure that you first add your ice in here and then go ahead and fill the water level up to here. Again, this is all insulated and it's got a waterproof zipper on it as well. So if you wanted to zip this up and carry it with you to the other room, it's nice because you don't have to worry about anything spilling. It's all gonna be covered. Plus, it's gonna have these two straps right here, which make it nice and easy to pick up, or even if you need a shoulder strap, it's going to make it even easier. But this is going to be your main configuration here for a knee. Let me go ahead and take this part off so you can kind of see what it looks like as its main form factor. So this is the pad shape. Again, this is primarily made for knees and shoulders, and you can see it's a knee shape, right? You've got this part here that goes over your kneecap. You have a space right here that can go around your knee, and then this is essentially going to wrap around your leg. The pieces that come with it are going to be these elastic bands, and these are great because this is going to allow for you to not only have ice, but you're also going to have compression on the knee, and that's also going to help to bring down that inflammation. Plus, they also provide 3 different strap sizes, so regardless of where you're going to be putting it, you can use it all over your body. If you're going to just have it on your arm, you could just use the small one. If you need extra compression on the knee, you can use all 3 of them. And that's basically all going to just be Velcro pieces, and they stick right here onto the felt. They can also stick onto themselves as well, so making it easy for you to strap it pretty much anywhere. Now, the remote that comes with it is going to be this small remote here, and it's going to allow you to control a couple of things. One is going to be the flow. That's how much water is flowing in and out of the tubes. You've got your time on and your time off. This is perfect for anyone who's going to use this while sleeping. You can have it go for 10 or 20 minutes on and then maybe 10 minutes off. That way you're not having this be cold the whole night long. It might be a little bit overkill, so I do like the fact that they added this. That's not going to be something that's included in all ice therapy machines, so I like the fact that they put that on here. Now let me go ahead and show you on the inside of the pad. This is what the inside looks like, and you're not really going to be able to see the water flow right now, but let me turn it off and see if we can kind of get it to drain out first. And then I'm going to turn it back on, and you'll see the water is going to flow from this side around the maze out into this side. So we'll turn it on, and there you go. You can kind of see it moving around now, the water air bubbles. But this is going to be how it keeps your knee or your body part extra cold, because the water is constantly flowing in here, so it never really gets a chance to heat up. It does a little bit, but it goes right back into the container, and the container has ice and more cold water. So this is great because you don't have to worry about water getting on your leg like you would with like an ice pack. This is nice. It keeps it nice and cool, and it helps bring down that inflammation without a mess. Now, I would definitely recommend using this with some kind of cover on you. So if you've got a pair of pants on, you could throw it right over your pants. If not, I would say wrap a very light cloth around you, because you don't really want this to be directly on your skin. It's gonna end up being too cold and it could give you like a skin sensitivity. So I would recommend using a very light cloth that goes around here. And don't worry, it's extremely cold. I don't even have ice in it right now, and it was starting to just get a little too cold while doing this video. So this is a great machine if you've got any type of knee surgery, knee pain, or any other joint pain on your body. So if you're looking for a cold therapy machine, I would definitely recommend picking this one up.